Vraag 3, question 3. We need to simplify the following algebraic expression, or algebraic fraction rather, in this case specifically an algebraic fraction. And if I look at this fraction, it is a fraction divided by another fraction. So the very first thing that I would want to do here is to get rid of that division sign. Never mind all the stuff going on in the fraction. It is simply just a fraction divided by another fraction. So I'm going to first change that division sign to a multiplication sign by doing the tip and times. So tip en mal. Ek gaan dit verander na maalteken toe en dan gaan ek hierdie tweede breek gaan ek omswaai. So ek doen dit heel eers, dan weet ek dis uit die pad uit. And right, we are set. Now, in order to simplify these fractions, I am going to need to make use of factorization. So I'm going to look at my first fraction. Remember, the multiplication sign does not separate these fractions. This is still one term, and that allows us later on to cross-cancel terms or brackets across these fractions. So we'll see how that works in a moment. So for the first fraction, I'm going at the numerator, or in the numerator, I'm going to take out an A and a B. Okay, so as ons hier kyk na hierdie teller, ek kan A B uithaal as my GGF, en wat bly oor, ek het A minus 1. So that's what's left in the first fraction in the numerator. Then in the denominator, I can take out A to the power 2, and I'm left with A plus 1. En dan gaan ek na die volgende breek toe. In die teller kan ek dan A uithaal en ek bly oor met A terug mag 2 minus 1. En in die noemer hierso kan ek B uithaal as 'n gemeen, want hy verskyn in elke term. So B, en wat bly oor is A terug mag 2 minus 2A plus 1. So going further, we can, the first fraction is now sorted, so we'll just bring him along. And in the second fraction, I can identify dots here, difference of two squares, so that will be A minus 1, A plus 1 in the numerator. And in the denominator, I've got a trinomial, ek het die 3 term, so dit is A en A. En dan natuurlijk is dit 'n positiewe derde term. So my tekens gaan dieselfde wees, en dit is natuurlijk minus en minus in hierdie geval. Is minus 1, en dit geef natuurlijk minus 2A. Of negative 2A. And at this point, I have everything factorized. There's nothing more I can factorize in the first fraction. There's nothing more I can factorize here or there. So now I can go ahead and see where I can cross cancel. So I have an A minus 1 over here. Then I have an A minus 1 in the denominator. Remember, we cross cancel top and bottom. Then I've got an A plus 1 over there, and I've got an A plus 1 over there. And I have an A minus 1 over here and another one over there, so looking pretty good here. Now, some of you missed this B. Some of you even forgot that it's here, and you neglected to write it again. That B and that B, they cancel out, they cross cancel. Then in my numerator, in my teller, het ek 1, 2 A's. En in my noemer het ek 1, 2 A's. So dit lyk asof alles uitkanselleer. So dit beteken ek eindig op met 'n antwoord van 1. Everything cancels. Now, some of you did this differently, or you ended up with sort of cancelling out everything in top and bottom by having different fraction forms available. In other words, some of you didn't need to go as far as factorizing everything. You could see earlier on that the numerator and denominator cancels out completely, and you also ended up with 1 as your answer. That's perfectly fine. But that would be then the final answer. It is fully factorized to such an extent that the answer is simply just 1. Hope this helped a lot, and hope to catch you guys in the next one. Thank you.